Embracing rustic textures, bringing nature's touch into your decor. Introduction: embrace the warmth of rustic textures. Rustic home design is all about creating a warm, inviting space by bringing nature into your living environment. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by incorporating rustic textures that evoke the simplicity and beauty of the outdoors. From the roughness of wood to the softness of natural fibers, rustic textures add depth and character to your home. In today's video, we'll explore how you can use these textures to transform your space into a cozy retreat that celebrates nature. If you're passionate about creating a home that feels both stylish and comfortable, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below on your favorite rustic design elements. Let's dive in. The natural appeal of weathered wood. Nothing embodies rustic charm quite like weathered wood. Whether it's reclaimed barn wood or distressed furniture pieces, wood with natural imperfections tells a story of time and age. This material is perfect for creating a sense of warmth and authenticity in your home. The rough, unpolished surface of weathered wood contrasts beautifully with other textures, adding a tactile experience to your decor. You can incorporate this material in various ways, from wooden beams and furniture to flooring and wall accents. The beauty of weathered wood lies in its ability to make any space. Incorporating stone for timeless texture. Stone, like wood, has a natural connection to the earth, making it an essential element in rustic home decor. Whether you opt for smooth river rocks or rough-cut stone, the texture of this material introduces a timeless elegance to any room. Stone accents can be found in fireplaces, flooring, or even as decorative features in the kitchen and bathroom. The cold, sturdy feel of stone contrasts well with softer textures, creating a balanced environment that feels grounded yet inviting. By incorporating stone into your decor, the cozy charm of natural fibers. Natural fibers like jute, wool, and linen are key to achieving a rustic feel. These materials, often used in rugs, curtains, and upholstery, provide a soft, organic touch that contrasts beautifully with harder elements like wood and stone. The texture of natural fibers brings warmth and comfort to any room, making it feel more relaxed and lived in. A chunky wool blanket draped over a wooden chair or a jute rug underfoot not only adds physical comfort but also enhances the rustic aesthetic. These fibers remind us of creating contrast with metal accents. While rustic decor is often associated with organic materials, metal can play a surprisingly important role in adding texture to your space. Wrought iron, copper, and steel provide a stark contrast to the softness of wood and fabrics, while their matte finishes prevent them from feeling too modern or industrial. Metal accents in light fixtures, furniture, or hardware bring a touch of ruggedness to your decor, reinforcing the rustic vibe. These elements add visual interest and help balance the natural warmth of other textures, creating a space that feels blending rustic and modern for textural harmony. Rustic design doesn't have to mean giving up on modern aesthetics. In fact, blending rustic textures with modern elements can create a unique and stylish home. Sleek, minimalist furniture paired with weathered wood or exposed stone walls offers a beautiful contrast that feels both contemporary and timeless. This blend of styles allows you to enjoy the best of both worlds, the clean lines and functionality of modern design, combined with the warmth and character of rustic materials. The key is to find harmony between the textures, ensuring that they The role of texture in creating visual depth. One of the most important reasons to incorporate rustic textures into your home is to create visual depth. A room filled with flat surfaces and smooth finishes can feel sterile or incomplete. By adding textured materials like wood, stone, and natural fibers, you introduce layers of interest that engage the eye. Even subtle touches like a rough-hewn wooden frame or a linen throw can make a significant difference. Texture adds richness and complexity to a room, making it feel more inviting and dynamic. In rustic design, this layered look is essential for creating a space that light enhances rustic textures. The way light interacts with textured surfaces can dramatically affect the feel of a room. Natural light, in particular, enhances the depth and warmth of rustic materials. Sunlight streaming through a window can highlight the grain of wood, the uneven surface of stone, or the weave of a fabric, bringing these textures to life. Even in the evening, soft, warm lighting can accentuate the coziness of rustic decor. Consider using light fixtures with warm bulbs and textured shades to complement the natural element. Using texture to connect indoor and outdoor spaces. Rustic design often blurs the line between indoor and outdoor living. By incorporating natural textures into your home, you create a seamless connection with the surrounding environment. Large windows that showcase outdoor views, combined with rustic materials inside, can make a room feel like an extension of nature. Elements like stone floors or wooden beams can mimic outdoor landscapes, while indoor plants add a living texture that brings the outdoors in. This connection to nature is at the heart of rustic design, Conclusion: crafting a cozy, textured retreat. Embracing rustic textures is all about celebrating the natural beauty of raw materials and creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and grounded. By thoughtfully incorporating wood, stone, natural fibers, and metal into your decor, you can transform your home into a cozy retreat that reflects the simplicity and beauty of nature. Whether you're starting small with a few accent pieces or going all in with a complete rustic overhaul, the textures you choose will make all the difference. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.